Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is CorieTips. I am super excited to do this nude glitter eyeliner makeup look. Do you love my glam? It is very simple. Just stick with me and let's do this together. Setting up my brows with my Eversheen pencil. Next, I'll be using my Maybelline foundation and my Early Girl concealer in Warm Honey for my brows. Next, I'm just going to apply some foundation on my brows just to soften it a bit. It just gives it that soft finish. Feel free to apply a bit more brown. So I'm using this eyeshadow palette from Juvia's Space. It's the Zulu palette. I'll be using this brown color. Next is my Huda Beauty palette. It is the rose gold palette. I'm going to be using the brown color in it. I'm just using it to deepen my contour, which is also like a transition color for me, before I cut my crease. It's quite hot in here and really sweaty. Next, I'm using my concealer to cut my crease halfway. Next, I'll be using the Magic Mini palette, and I'll be using this beige color. Just want to pat it on carefully. So I'm just going to trace out the lines, just clean up the edges. So I'm on my contour now, back to the Zulu palette, and I'm just blending in the brown eyeshadow at the edge. I want to be careful with your blending. And I'm just applying it softly at the midpoint to blend it in. It looks good. I'm going to go back in with a little of this with my angle brush. I'm just putting on this side, not at the midpoint. Just want the edges to be a bit darker. So I'm using my Sacha Butter Cosmetic Powder for my brow bone. So in this container is the benign glitter gel, and I'm just going to use it to line my eyes and apply the glitters. So I'm just going to use a tape to pick out any fallout on the edges and make it sharp. Next is my mascara by Zaron Cosmetics. And now my face, I'm using my Pond's Oil Control. My foundation by Maybelline 355 Coconut. Next is my Sacha Butter Cosmetic Powder. Next is my contour powder by Maybelline Superstay Java 375. Next is my Milani powder in Warm 109. Next is my black hole pencil by Secrets. And I'm smudging it out with my brown. While I prep my lashes, I'm just going to apply my highlighter and blush. So I'm using the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. Quite a glow. Ooh, it's super gorgeous. I'm just applying the remaining product on this brush at the side of my nose just to give it that same illusion. You want to be very careful when pushing in your lashes because of the glitter, so try as much as possible to push it very close to the hairline. Next is this lip pencil by Zaron Cosmetics in Cupertino. Next is this Milani lipstick, Auti Brilliant. And this Zara lipstick in Blondie. Next is the classic Clear Gloss. We have a new body right here. Say hello, Kelly, to everybody. So she was my birthday gift from my husband, and I absolutely love her work, getting to know each other more. Right? Am I correct? So today, well, it looks like we're alike, isn't it? She's got black, brown, white, and I'm wearing white, and my makeup is gorgeous. So this is a cut crease, nude cut crease with glitter eyeliner, and I absolutely love this makeup. I hope you'll be able to create it as well. Thank you so much. Love you. Say ciao.